that alarm's low pitch again.
Right, it's 10:04, it's Saturday 19th week for our 10:07 to number 61 East Midlands train system, Leicester to Lincoln Central. Oh God.
Andrew, look at how high that barrier is. Yeah, it
We went
bangs
as soon as
so
it's straight pinged off up on the hill.
high. Yeah, the train wants to go early.
But you see, this one's got a newer cord.
Look, that barrier's not down properly. Look at it.
It is.
That barrier's up a bit.
No, it's done fine. It's been like that for years.
Yeah, we're not doing the Helpston.
That's already approaching actually off of
Now the barrier.
Dodd. Look at that.
What?
Adam. Look at all these ones. There.
They're all very dirty.
There.
Yes.
Yeah, pulled the rod out there.
You like playing with the barriers.
Well. Nothing more to do than sit in your car twiddling your thumbs.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you
You
could
sit for approximately 3 minutes of your life.
We could flip that.
Use it wisely and wait, or use it wisely and jump in front.
You could flip that around, even though we're not doing that.
Oh,
It's
I
that
wish I
barrier. You can do it now.
No.
It happened at Boultham.
How?
No, it happened on that barrier.
Just stand on it.
You just kick it with your foot. Kick it upwards or kick it downwards. It doesn't really matter where you kick it.
We've got
And we've got
156415.
156415.
156415 Lincoln.
156415 to Lincoln Central, and up they go.
Not even 2 minutes. Watch.
Thank you guys, see you in the next video.